The biggest mistake solo hikers make isn't forgetting gear. It's overestimating their decision-making when there's no one around to talk them out of a bad idea. Solo hiking offers incredible freedom, but here's the reality. Out there, you are your only safety net. The margin for error shrinks to zero. Let's build your solo safety system. The mistake most people make is treating a solo hike like a group hike minus the talking. For solo trips, stick to well-marked, heavily trafficked trails. Save the off-trail scrambling and remote wilderness for when you have reliable partners. Your first solo shouldn't be an epic. Look for 4 to 6 miles with moderate elevation. You want sweeping views, weekend crowds, decent cell service, and easy transit or shuttle access. If you hike solo, a satellite communicator is non-negotiable. Don't rely on your phones. The Garmin InReach Mini 2 is the gold standard for two-way messaging, while the Zoleo offers a cheaper upfront cost. Both can literally save your life. This is where people get lazy. Gear doesn't replace a plan. You must leave a strict itinerary. Tell someone your exact route, trailhead, and an absolute panic time. The exact hour they should call search and rescue. Pack for a forced overnight, even on short trails. An emergency bivy, first aid kit, and downloaded maps are mandatory. A rolled ankle can easily turn into a freezing night alone. Alone, every snapped twig sounds like a predator. Panic is your biggest enemy. Stop, breathe, and logically assess. If your gut says turn back, you turn back. Drop the ego. Making the call to bail out is surprisingly hard when you've invested time. Set hard turnaround times. If bad weather rolls in, you lose the trail, or you just feel off, the decision is made for you. Go back. A perfect solo template. Think boulders, Mount Sanitas. 3 miles, 300 feet gain, stunning views, heavily trafficked. It's a real workout, but packed with other hikers if you need help. Solo hiking is for prepared urbanites craving a mental reset, not reckless thrill seekers. Stick to established day hikes. Never solo a glacier, a steep scramble, or a remote river crossing. Start small and build your confidence. Start small, stay smart, and enjoy the silence.